Hey boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to complete and turn in your spelling choice board. So I'm on our Google Classroom and I'm on classwork. I'm looking under the tab that says Digital Choice Boards. You're always going to make sure you choose the correct week. So this example, it is October 19th through the 23rd. You're going to click that and it opens. It says that you must first watch the video. It will be posted here. It's this video right here that shows you how to complete this. And it says that you must complete 3 spelling activities. That should actually say 4 spelling activities. You're going to do 1 spelling activity on Monday, 1 on Tuesday, 1 on Wednesday, and 1 on Thursday for a total of 4. You will turn this in on Thursday. You will have a spelling test on Friday. So I'm going to click on the choice board. And the first thing that you should see is your list of words. Now, when you open yours, you won't see the X's on them. Go ahead and move those out of the way. Now you can choose what you would like to do. Any of these activities you may do. What you do need to do is read the directions. Okay? Read the directions here and then read the directions when it takes you to the activity. Also, make sure you're looking at the bottom of each one because I have the directions there. You must complete 4 activities by Thursday, October 22nd. So the first one, Monday. Let's pretend I want to create a tiny tool to create a visual cartoon. I'm going to add speech bubbles and characters, and I'm going to use 5 of my words in a scene. So all you do is you click on that. The red hyperlink takes you to a website, and it comes up right here. Now on this one, you're going to choose the scene that you want. You just click on it and it automatically goes into your background right here. Then you can choose characters. Move them wherever you want. You can make them bigger or smaller. Now you have to use speech bubbles. And in those speech bubbles, you're creating sentences with your spelling words. In order to be able to type in there, you double click in the speech bubble and it pops up right here. And you can type your sentence. You get your spelling words from your spelling word list here. So I can go back to it and say, did you see the jogger in Times Square? And I click apply, and that's there. If you want it smaller, you can make it smaller. You can come back up, hit enter, and that turns it into 2 lines. You need 5 sentences with 5 different spelling words. Once you have that, you are going to email it to Miss Ballou. So you would type your name here. So let's say my daughter Addison did this. And she's going to put her email address there. And the recipient is my email address, who you want it to go to. So you're going to type in my email address, cballou@psusd.us. You can say activity 1 or spelling practice. Type me a message and press send. If you don't have all of this filled out, it won't send. I click send and it goes to me and I know you finished it. Okay? So now you have completed activity 1. So you go back to your choice board. You're going to click and drag a red X to that. Now, you need 4 activities. Now you need a new one for Tuesday. Let's say you want to do ABC Ya word search. Clicked on it. Click to go. Name your puzzle. You can just put your name there. That way when, if you have to send this one to me, I can't remember if this is one you send or not, I will know who sent it. So then I look back on my spelling choice board and I'm going to enter 15 of my words, 15. So dentist, goggles, submit, Empire summon. Okay, so you're going to add all 15 words. Once you have all 15, you're going to hit this arrow. You want to play online, so click online. Do not click save and print. Online. It's going to randomize your words. Then you're going to find them. See the words down here? So you're going to find dentist. You just click and drag. Goggles. Submit. Oh, that's summon. Submit. Empire. Perfect. So on this one, you are not submitting anything to me. How will I know if you practiced? Well, I will know by how well you do on your test on Friday. So, nothing to submit to Miss Ballou, so you can just click the X and you can go back to your spelling choice board. You can move the X. Okay, you've done 2, you still need 2 more. Let's say you want to do highlight it. It says to go to slide 4, type 10 of your most challenging words, the ones that you struggle with for spelling. Type them in the boxes and then click and drag the yellow squares to highlight all of your words. So right here, see, slide 4, you would type 10 of your words here, then you would click and drag this yellow square over to the vowels, okay? You're not submitting anything to me for that one. You're just coming right back up here and you're putting the X on it. How will I know if you did this one? That's simple. When you turn it in to me on Thursday, because it is due by Thursday at 3:30, I will see this screen and I will see what you completed. Notice the directions right there at the bottom, okay? So if I want to do a word cloud, I'm going to click on the red hyperlink. It's taking me to ABC Ya. Click play, start. I'm going to type my words. When I do, I'm going to type a word, then I'm going to press enter, so each one is on a new line. Again, I can come back to my choice board, and I'm going to type the words in there. Then I click create. You are actually going to type every one of your words in there. I'm just modeling and I don't want this video to be 30 minutes long, so I'm going to hit create and it creates your word cloud. Okay? If you wanted to save it, you could save it. You don't have to, but you can most certainly save it if you want to, okay? If you do save it, I saved it, and then you can share it. And you can share it with me if you have that set up on your computer. You do not have to share this one with me. How will I know if you did it? If you put an X on it, well, I will know that you did it if you do well on your test on Friday. So now I can move my X. I have 4 done. So now it's Thursday. I've completed 4 and I'm ready to share it with my teacher. Please know that every single student, every one of you, need to complete 4 activities by Thursday at 3:30. I'm going to click share. Right here, the add people and groups, you're going to type C Ballou and my name comes up. Then you click send, okay? That's all you have to do. I don't really want to share it with myself because I already have it. If you want to do any of these other activities, read them, click on it and read it, and it will tell you what to do. I do not care which activities you choose to do as long as you are practicing them. This is worth 20 points. Let me show you. It is worth 20 points. And I will change this right now. Each activity is worth 5 points for a total of 20 points. It is a lot of points if you decide not to do it. That is 0 points that you get. This should be a fun grade, not a I really don't want to do it grade. And we will be doing this every week. So that's 20 easy points every week. But it could quickly add up to a lot of zeros if you choose not to do it. Please make sure that you get this done by Thursday. 4 activities, okay?